Hello everyone, this is a technical demo of DeepBound, a custom 2D sandbox engine I developed in Unity. The rendering pipeline is fully custom built. Instead of using thousands of game objects, I use a dynamic mesh combination system. As you can see, the engine renders over 70,000 active tiles while maintaining a 60 frame per second stable, handling chunk streaming and culling in real time. Here is a performance snapshot from the internal profiler. Notice the draw calls are only 26 thanks to aggressive mesh combining. The engine runs at 165 FPS on a laptop GPU with minimal heap allocation. While the visual demo runs on the stable release version, I am currently refactoring the core architecture from standard object-oriented programming to a data-oriented ECS design. To achieve better CPU cache locality, I integrated my custom library StructForge. Here I use CF Grid 2D. This allows me to manage world data in contiguous memory blocks rather than scattering objects in the heap. One major improvement over the legacy version is the new hybrid serialization architecture. For the massive grid data, I switched from JSON to binary serialization using direct memory access, reducing load times to milliseconds. However, for lightweight data like player stats and inventory, I retained JSON for flexibility and easier debugging. This approach balances raw performance with maintainability.